In Stuller's new Findings catalog, you'll find more new product than ever before.
Now with over 700 new series being featured in a Findings catalog for the first time.
Each item is labeled with a new badge to quickly identify product developed since the previous catalog's release. This includes modern, fashion-forward components, on-trend French set findings, and a vast expansion of set and semi-set items across all categories. Many existing styles have also been expanded to include a greater selection of rose gold quality options. Find something new in Stuller's new Findings catalog, available now.